Bienvenidos al programa de español en línea. Yo soy el profesor Gilberto García y en este video we're going to talk about the simple present, okay? El presente simple en español. Okay, so when do we use this tense? This tense is the one we use to express facts that are happening in the present time. First, we need to identify the infinitive verb, okay? So the main characteristics of these verbs in Spanish is the ending. And these infinitive verbs are also the original form of the verbs, okay? Usually the endings can be AR or ER or IR. So, first, we identify the infinitive verb. Then, we need to identify the person we need to use, okay, using the personal pronouns. And then, we drop this ending of the infinitive, and then we are going to add the endings according to the person. So, let's start with the AR verbs. And let's see some examples of these verbs. Por ejemplo, caminar, to walk, hablar, to talk or to speak, estudiar, to study, gritar, this one can be to scream or to yell depending on the context, trabajar, to work, and you can have more. Okay, so these are regular verbs, AR verbs. Let's conjugate one. Por ejemplo, caminar. Okay, so the first step is to drop the ending of the infinitive, the AR. And then we are going to add the ending depending on the person that we are going to use. In this case, we're going to use all of them. So, yo camino, first person singular. Tú caminas, second person singular. Él camina, third person singular. Plurals, first person. Nosotros caminamos, second person. Ustedes caminan, and then third person, ellos caminan. Let's continue with the ER verbs, and we are going to see some examples. Por ejemplo, correr, to run, comer, to eat, aprender, to learn, beber, to drink, leer, to read. And you can find more of these verbs, ER verbs. Let's focus on one, my favorite one, which is comer. Okay, remember we drop the ending and then we add the ending that we need according to the person. Okay, so let's see what happens. Por ejemplo, yo como, tú comes, él come, nosotros comemos, ustedes comen y ellos comen. Let's see the IR verbs. Okay, y algunos ejemplos son vivir, to live, abrir, to open, escribir, to write, decidir, to decide, recibir, to receive, and you can find more. Okay, let's focus on one. Vivir, to live. Okay, remember, drop the ending of the infinitive and then add the endings according to the person. First person singular, yo vivo. Tú vives, second person. Él vive, third person. Now the plurals. Nosotros vivimos, first person. Second person, ustedes viven, and then third person, ellos viven. You can practice with some of the previous verbs these endings. Muy bien, nos vemos en nuestro siguiente video.